Oh, well, would you look at that? I didn't have to use this knife. There we go. Now we can go back to putting these on. See that gap where my finger is? Right there? See? Right there. We need that to go in there. Oh, all I have to do is just... Now we're going to do the same thing through here. Like this. Push both of these back. And then push this forward. And this, we're going to probably move it over right up to this point. And I'm going to put a second one probably right... You'll see right there. Same thing we did earlier. We're going to use one. And for the centerpiece is this. I want to do this way. So, this. Okay, this. I'm going to push upwards like this, upward, and then pull down.